To get to 1,000 subscribers. Now that you've reached 100 subscribers, let's go for your next milestone. You're going to need a game plan for your channel. And you know what? You're going to have to be more ruthless with your time and your content. And it's time to start working with other YouTubers. Give them shoutouts. And don't just ask for the much bigger YouTubers for shoutouts, but also ask the people who are on your level or even below you. You're also going to want to start using YouTube's analytics tools so that you know when people are abandoning your videos and what's causing them to leave. You're going to want to find out how your viewers are finding you and how well your engagement is. And you need to track what you need so you can make adjustments for the future. You can also see which of your videos are producing the most amount of subscribers. So keep creating more videos like that. You have to give people what they want and stop making content that's not getting as much views as your other content. So basically you have to find patterns that impact your audience. So when you shoot your next videos, you can shoot them in a way that have better audience retention. Now when you're trying to rank your videos on YouTube search engines, YouTube values watch time more than how well your videos are optimized for keywords. So now you need to focus on ways to increase the watch time on your videos. You need to get as much watch time as you can on your videos within the first week of them being published, because that will greatly influence its rankings on YouTube's search engines.